In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or updating an existing one, I'll guide you through the essential steps, ensuring you're set up for success. Let's get started by visiting the official Squarespace website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you can select the specific website you want to update. It's a good idea to recognize your projects easily with custom names, especially if you're managing multiple sites. After selecting your website, look to the upper left corner of the page and you'll see the Edit button. Clicking this button will give you access to the editing interface where you can start making changes to your site. This section is quite intuitive, so take your time exploring the different tools and options available to customize your website to your liking. It's also highly recommended to take into consideration any customer feedback you've received. Implementing their suggestions can improve user experience and engagement on your site. Once you're satisfied with the edits, it's crucial to save your work. To do this, simply click the Save button. This is an important step as it publishes your changes and ensures your site is always up to date with the latest information and designs you've applied. Squarespace also offers various menus and controls to enhance your website management. You'll find options for selling, marketing, and managing contacts. These are particularly useful if you operate an online store or send out regular newsletters. Squarespace provides analytics that can give you insights into your site's performance, as well as scheduling tools to help you manage appointments or bookings efficiently. You also have access to invoicing options, which can streamline payment processes, an asset library for managing media files, and a comprehensive settings menu. The Help section is always available, ensuring you're never stuck for long if you encounter any difficulties. If you feel like starting from scratch or have a brand new idea, you can create a new site directly from your dashboard. Simply select Create Site and follow the prompts. Squarespace will ask you some questions to better understand what kind of site you want to build. This is helpful in personalizing your experience and tailoring the options provided to suit your needs. Next, you'll have the choice between a pre-made template or to use AI to build a custom template for you. If you're unsure which option to choose, consider how much customization you need. Pre-made templates are great for getting set up quickly, while the AI option gives you a more personalized start. In either case, Squarespace makes the process convenient and adaptable to your requirements. That's all for today's brief walkthrough on using Squarespace. Please feel free to explore further and customize your site to harness its full potential. Happy building!